Hi, my name is Nicholas Jansen. If you're watching this video, that means you want to get more leads and sales for your business. Luckily, you're in the right place. If you're like thousands of business owners who just can't seem to crack the code of turning leads into customers with online advertising, then pay close attention. The number one reason why most businesses fail when it comes to online advertising is simply because they're using the wrong methods, such as boosting posts on Facebook or other amateur techniques. The best way to get clients is by using more advanced advertising strategies that allow you to get in front of your ideal audience 100% of the time. That's where I come in. I'm currently a graduate of an exclusive advertising academy where we learned how to get businesses just like yours results fast using secret techniques that most advertisers don't know about. Normally, it would cost over $3,000 per month to have an expert manage your ads and implement some of these techniques, but for a limited time, I'm actually willing to waive my advertising management fees, and you don't have to pay until you're 100% satisfied. Although, I'm going to be doing this for a few serious business owners, so if you're interested, be sure to schedule your appointment below before the spots are filled.